Welcome to our guide on how to protect privacy in your apps. Whether you want to keep certain apps hidden or declutter your home screen, we'll show you how to hide apps on iPhone. Step 1. Use the app library. Press and hold the app icon you want to hide, tap Remove App, then select Remove from Home Screen. The app will disappear from the home screen but will still be accessible in the app library. Hide the entire application page. Organize the apps you want to hide into a separate home screen page. Enter edit mode by pressing and holding. Anywhere on your home screen, tap the dots on the home screen above your dock. Uncheck the page you want to hide. It will not appear when swiping across the home screen. Usage time. For many applications, open Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn on the toggle and tap Allowed Apps. Turn off the toggle for apps you want to hide, so you get the best features for your iPhone. We, AnHome Tech, always bring everyone good tips about technology. Thank you for watching and see you again with the next videos on the channel.